Hi YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. Tonight's video is going to be the long anticipated picking of this ASSA combi. Thanks Mark Archer for the lock. It gave us a headache, and it's given us an even bigger headache trying to get it on camera, as some of you will know. In this lock you've got 6 normal pins. You've got ASSA spools or gin bottles, I'm not too sure, whichever way it is round, but they do get caught up quite good. And then in the top right you've got 5 finger pins which controls a sidebar. That's the button for the standard pins, and that's the button which is quite jaggedy for the finger pins. This came courtesy of Mark Archer from Telford, so thanks very much, mate. I'm going to be using quite stern tension. I'm going to pick this upside down for my style. Should I pick it upside down? Yeah. Give it a whirl. I'm trying a new angle out, so hopefully it's going to all say that a little bit better. I'm going to be using just a normal hook and the magic John Eggington's pick, which is absolutely awesome. And a rigid tension wrench. I'm going to pick it anti-clockwise. I'm going to pick the driver pins first. Hopefully you should get some good clickety clicks. I'm quite impressed with the angle there. It's got like nice light, and it's better than normal anyway. Right, so let's have a go. Let's just get comfortable, because this is not going to be a short video. Right. Right, so quite hard tension. Pull your pick through until you find a binder. That was 4, 3, 1, 4 clicks again. Sometimes you'll see us setting the pin, that was a slight false set if the keen eye would have saw. Sometimes you'll see us setting the same pin over and over again. It's fine, they just reset as you go through. Because in this you'll have counter milling, so you've technically got to pick the lock twice. Plus you've got the gin bottles, spools, or the other spool pins, which always get caught up. But I'm interested to see if there's any threading in any of the chambers. That was 6, and I've dropped into a little bit of a deeper false set. That was another one. My aim is to get it into a decent false set, and then what I'll do is, then I'll move on to the finger pins. And that's what I've did every other time I've opened it. Probably only opened this lock now, probably 4 times. The first time was an hour, and then obviously you get quicker and quicker as you go on, but I've never picked this lock in less than 15 minutes. That was 5. 4. I'm going to go after 1 now. 1 set. 2 is. 3 is. 4 is just set. That was a slip on 2. This is why I'm going to stop using bespoke picks. because yesterday, it takes us 3 hours to make, well, about 2 hours to make that pick. These puppies took us about 10 minutes each, and they work just as well. Luckily, we've got the John Eggington's picker here. RIP to the pick. Hopefully we'll get the open now. Seeing as we've snapped a pick. That was number 3. Just going to check them one more time, then I'm going to move on to the side pins. And I'm fully happy. A couple of clicks off 2 there, and another one. So number 2 may have the threading, which I heard, I think, who was it that spoke about it now? I've just watched their video, I left a comment on it actually. It was a brilliant one. It was an ASSA Twin in an oval style, like the Scandinavian types. He made an absolute awesome job of the video. There you are. Now it's fell over. So now when you're at this point and you're not setting nothing else, it's safe to move on to the finger pins. The side pins, sorry. So as soon as I've snapped that pick, I'm just going to make some headroom across the bottom. You might set a couple if you're lucky. That's it. And see if there's any binding. If not, then you can just pull your pick backwards and forwards until one does. Nothing on 3. One, 2, 3, 5 and 4, 3, 2, nothing on 1, another click off 3, good click off 2 and a little bit of 4 and a good bit of movement on the plug, on 5, 2 again, and lighten up on the tension just to get the last couple. There's another click on 4. Another click on 2. One still springy. Yeah, a couple reset there actually. We'll chase them in a second. Dual click off 1. Another click off 5. Work my way back through. 3 feels a bit springy as well. 1 springy. Two's binding. I think something was overset there. That's one. Two springy. Three another click. Four click. Two stiff now. This is definitely the hardest part of this lock, coming after this bloody sidebar. Right at the back, we'll try and get 5. Probably be better off using dimple picks for this really, but I have picked it with this pick before, so I think the only one that's holding us up now, if I just have a little feel, is 3 and 5. Just see if I can get a dimple pick in there. Tiny little bit more movement there when I think I caught one of the pins and it spun a little bit, to be honest. Come on, you little bugger. So close but yet so far away. Cannot get under 5. My hand is numb. Let's check these pins. They're all set there. One's now binding, I think. I need to get under 5 and there's just no room. Still not letting us under. Dragging on a little bit this video is, but I can't help it. As much as I hate to see it, I think I'm going to have to reset it a little bit first. Good solid click that was off too. That was 4. I'm still stuck under 5. One. I think I got you that time, you little bugger. So it's got to be overset. Yes. Oh, apologies for the longer video, but that it is there picked. I'd overset a couple of side pins and caused for the video to be about a year long. So let's see if we can get this open. But yeah, buzzing to have that in. Picked. Let's see if we can get this open in a decent time. If I knew it was going to be that long, I'd have had all of this already done. See what's in this bad boy. Actually, I think we might be alright. So, 6 pins, tip them out one by one. There's a tiny little wafer come out of one of them. Sidebar's looking to get popped out. That's the sidebar. Come on. I'll show you in a second. 2 springs that come with it. More wafers. I'll sort these pins out after because they've kind of just fell out, but just to show that they're all there. I did have somebody telling us that I was missing pin 1 and that I hadn't done it, and he'd been in the game for years and blah blah blah. But I think if you take this out there, they all want to spin everywhere. So there you are. That's all of the side pins in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think I've took a lock apart like this before, so you might just have to bear with us. So I didn't know how to get them out. I didn't know how to get them out. I've got no idea. Anyway, that's all of the side pins in. I had no idea how to get them out, so I do apologise. But we are all there. As for the inners, in one is an ASSA spool, two is a bigger ASSA spool, three the same, four is a standard and so that might be a mastercade actually, and another ASSA spool, and another ASSA spool with another little wafer in. All steel springs, as it is in every ASSA one that I've did. So yeah, let's check in there. This one doesn't have counter milling. I'm a bit annoyed that I can't get those out. Oh well, never mind, they are there. All 5 of them. Thanks Mark Archer for the lock, mate. You're an absolute star. And if you'd like this video and you'd like to see more, please hit the subscribe button, hit us a like. A new thing that I'm bringing to the channel is, because I'm struggling to get back to everybody's comments. I know sometimes there's not that many, but when you've got no time, it gets hard, like, so I'm just gonna pick 3 questions, and then I'm gonna do something that's called a rapid fire. At the end of every next video, I'll reply to the comments on screen, and I'll put your name up here, answering any of your questions or your comments that you have left, and then that just helps me greatly. I don't want to be ignorant. I do appreciate all of your comments, but sometimes I just haven't got the time to do everything, to pick and run the YouTube channel, as some people might. So my apologies, but thanks for watching, everybody. ASSA Twin Combi. Oh, and don't forget to come and visit us at Locksport Anonymous. New Facebook group set up. Let's have it.